Can AI run restaurants? In this video, I will explain what AI for restaurants is and what will change in the hospitality industry in 2026. Ciao, I'm Andrea, the SEO chef, and I have the answer that's gonna shock you. Trust me, this changes everything about how you should think about technology in your restaurant. Here's a fact. 70% of top businesses are already investing in artificial intelligence, and restaurants are jumping on board fast. We're seeing fresh AI and AI-powered drive-thru at Wendy's, robotic kitchen assistants like Flippy2, and chatbots handling the reservation at thousands of places. But here's what most people don't understand. There's a massive difference between AI helping humans and AI replacing them completely. Let me break down what's really happening. Let's be honest about where AI is already winning. Order taking and processing. Artificial intelligence can handle basic orders without mistakes. Domino's chatbot processes thousands of orders through Facebook Messenger. No sick days, no wrong orders, available 24/7. Kitchen automations. Flippy2 can fry chips, onion rings, and wings perfectly every time. It recognizes food automatically and adjusts cooking times. Inventory management. AI tracks stock levels, predict demands, and prevent waste better than most human managers. It knows you'll need extra ingredients when it starts raining because delivery orders spike. Pricing and menu optimization. AI tools analyze your location, competitors, and costs to suggest perfect prices. They can spot opportunities when you're leaving money on the table that humans miss. Scheduling stuff. Artificial intelligence creates schedules based on your busy periods, organize your staff, and even weather forecasts. It thinks ahead better than most managers. For all these tasks, AI is faster, more accurate, and never has a bad day. But here's where it gets interesting and why smart restaurant owners aren't panicking. Emotional connections. You know what AI can do? Make a customer feel truly welcome when they're having the worst day of their life. It can read the room when a couple is on their first date versus celebrating an anniversary. Creative problem solving. When a customer has a complex dietary restriction that's not in the system, or when something goes wrong with an order, humans adapt instantly. AI follow rules, humans break them creatively when needed. Cultural understanding. In my Italian family, food isn't just about nutrition. It's about love, tradition, and stories. AI can suggest pasta based on algorithm, but it can't explain why my nonna's recipe matters or why we always add that extra touch of garlic to the plate. Building relationships. Regular customers want to be recognized, remembered, and treated like family. The bartender who remembers your usual drink, or the waiter who asks you about your kids. That's pure human magic. Handling complaints. When someone's really upset about their meat, they need genuine empathy and creative solutions. AI can offer discounts, but it can't truly apologize or make someone feel heard. And most importantly, artificial intelligence can't create the soul of a restaurant. That warm, welcoming atmosphere that makes people want to come back. We 100% know that AI is there, but the goal isn't to remove humans from your restaurants. It's to make your humans work more effectively and do what they can do best. And most of all, one of the most important things is creating amazing experiences and emotions. As I can say, restaurants that attempt to go fully AI will feel cold and soulless. And ones that ignore AI completely would struggle with efficiencies and costs. But the ones that find the right balance, they'll dominate the local markets. And don't forget that blender that you've been using is not AI, but still, that's an automation and has been part of the kitchen. So we definitely need to adapt to the new world. So, are you for AI or human teams in your restaurant? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you won't miss out on weekly updates or to grow your restaurant online. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Ciao for now.